Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Moi ça va très bien, merci. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. I'm so happy you could join our class today. We are going to learn how to say French sentences. Does it sound scary? It's not scary. Don't worry. We have a friend to help us along. Can you say bonjour, Ananas, in a nice loud voice? Bonjour, Ananas. Oh, ooh. Ah. She's saying bonjour right back at you. Bravo. Alors, on va commencer par choisir une couleur. Can you repeat the colors? Noir, blanc, rose, violet, bleu, vert, jaune, orange, rouge. Which color would you like today? Tu veux choisir la couleur? Orange? D'accord, on va choisir orange aujourd'hui. The series is called French with Ananas, and this is lesson 2.14, E sound. Leçon 2.14, son E. Alors, on va commencer, mes amis. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est, ananas? Oh, do you remember the French word for beads? Perle, perle. Bravo, wow. Beaucoup de perles, beaucoup de couleurs. So what Madame has done is I've added some words at the beginning of the sentence. This is the beginning, the start of our sentence. Le début is the beginning of the sentence, de la phrase. Phrase is the French word for sentence. And I wrote tu as. Can you repeat that? Tu as. And tu as means you have. The rest of the sentence says des perles, so beads. Now this is a whole bunch of beads. And Anana, did you want to know something? Oui? Oh. Anana would like to know what happens if you only have one bead. Let's see what happens. Then it says une perle. That's just one. So in French, when you write a sentence, you have to give the gender of the noun, of the thing you're talking about. So everything has a gender. It's either masculine or feminine. So for perle, you would look at the word here and you see there's a E at the end. So it becomes une perle. So now we know it's feminine. C'est féminin. So une perle. Now, does that mean that the beads are girls? No, it means that the word for beads, which is perle, is feminine, féminin. So let's say the whole sentence together. Toute la phrase ensemble. Tu as une perle. Tu as une perle. And that means you have a bead. What a great start! Bravo les amis! Wow! Oh, regarde! Do you remember the word for window? Fenêtre. Bravo. Now, do you think fenêtre is a masculine or a feminine word? There's a way you can check. Ici, regarde. Il y a un E. So this word is une. So if the word before it is une, it is feminine. Féminin. So we're going to say une fenêtre. Now let's say the whole sentence. Toute la phrase. Tu as une fenêtre. Tu as une fenêtre. And that means you have a window. C'est beau, bravo. Oh, ananas. These are delicious. Do you remember the French word? Oui? If you said tangerine, you are correct. Now, do you know if tangerine is masculine or feminine word? Oh, regarde, we have the word Une avec un E à la fin, it is feminine. C'est féminin. Une tangerine. Now let's say the whole sentence together. Toute la phrase ensemble. Tu as une tangerine. Tu as une tangerine. You have a tangerine. Bravo, you're doing a great job. Oh, regarde ici. These are the measuring cups. Tasse à mesurer. So let's say the whole sentence, toute la phrase. Tu as des tasses à mesurer. So when there's more than one, we use des. Now, qu'est-ce que c'est, Anana? Oui? Oh, Anana wants to know what happens if you only have one measuring cup. What happens is it becomes une tasse à mesurer. Now, how do we know if it's masculine or féminin? Look over here. Une tasse à mesurer. Good job. Now let's try the whole thing. Toute la phrase. Tu as une tasse à mesurer. Encore. Tu as une tasse à mesurer. Which means you have a measuring cup. Bravo! You're doing a super job. You are so good at this. Bravo, mes amis. Oh, wow. Oh. Do you remember the word for the shark? If you said requin, you are correct. Now, look carefully. Do you think requin is masculine or feminine? Masculin ou féminin? Ah, oui. There's no E at the end. So, of course, it's masculin. Un requin. Let's say the whole thing. Toute la phrase. Tu as un requin. Encore. Tu as un requin. And of course that means you have a shark. Bravo, les amis. Oh, I hope it's a stuffy shark. Oh, wow. Regarde. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Ananas, est-ce qu'on regarde dans le sac? Oui, on va regarder dans le sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? On va regarder dans le sac. Dans means inside. Alors, Ananas, tu veux mettre ta main dans le sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le sac? Oh, regarde! Oh! Do you remember the word for this fruit? Do you remember it? Tangerine. Tangerine. Now, do you remember if it was feminine or masculine? Anana, do you remember? Do you remember, Anana? Oui. It was feminine. Une tangerine. Une tangerine. Oh, Anana. It is close to my snack time. Collation. I'm going to eat une tangerine. Je vais manger une tangerine. Merci les amis. I had a great time learning all about sentences in French. I hope to see you next time and I hope to see you very soon. And how do you say see you soon? À bientôt. À bientôt, madame. À bientôt, Anana. À bientôt, les amis.